Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're going to demonstrate the usage of the SlicePipe. So let's get started. The SlicePipe is used for extracting part of an array or string. Here in our TypeScript file, we have an array of string called programming languages. And in our app.component.html, we are displaying it using ng4, as shown here in the browser. Now we're going to use our SlicePipe just to take this part from Python to TypeScript. So after our first expression, that's a vertical bar, and we're going to put our SlicePipe, so slice, and a colon. So here we're going to put the first element index that we want to include, which is 1. Add that colon, and here we're going to put the first index of the element we want to exclude, so 5. Now let's check the browser. Here we have Python to TypeScript. Now let's go back, and using the same logic we're going to apply it to our language, which is a string. So we're going to put a vertical bar, slice, colon, and here we're gonna only show the first two letters of each string. So we're gonna put start with 0, colon, and 2. Now let's check the browser. Here we can see it keeps only the first two letters. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.